VAT numbers can be valid and still produce a wrong filing when periods, countries, or currencies are combined. TaxLedger turns the report into a controlled review and export workflow. The challenge is not finding a total. It is assigning each transaction to the correct tax treatment while keeping every local currency independent. Load the source, confirm the period, review VAT and country exposure, choose the filing scope, then generate accountant-ready files. While Amazon's tax report permission is pending, Imports provides the manual fallback. Upload the original VAT transactions report without reformatting it. Selecting a file changes nothing. Load CSV validates it and makes the report the source for every review and export. TaxLedger detects the period and transaction coverage. Confirm the month or quarter, especially when adjustments span reporting periods. Overview answers what the report contains: invoice lines, net sales, VAT collected, gross total, and the effective rate for the primary currency. TaxLedger separates every currency automatically. Declarations must never combine unlike currencies into a false grand total. Breakdown separates consumer, business, intra-EU, OSS, and refund activity, while the adjacent table shows the VAT bands applied. Markets shows where turnover and reporting exposure are concentrated before you review each destination country. Country totals keep base, VAT, gross, effective rate, and currency together, making each local review traceable and auditable. Select VAT-registered countries here. Enable OSS only when the accountant needs a dedicated draft for cross-border consumer sales. Issued Invoices CSV creates a normalized ledger for reconciliation, or accounting import, with invoice, country, currency, net, VAT, and gross fields. Sales and VAT XLSX creates country declaration sheets and an optional OSS draft without merging currencies. Run TaxLedger monthly or quarterly, then complete an accountant review before filing. It prepares the evidence. It does not submit the return.